Hemi Joel here at the Hidden Lake Horsepower Farm, August 27th, 2026, and today I'm working on the 33 Auburn Speedster, and the problem I'm trying to solve is that the headlights don't work. So I have the headlight switch out of it, which is supposed to be there. If we look up underneath the dash, we see all these old wires I have disconnected on it. And this car has a pretty conventional looking dimmer switch that just sticks up through the left-hand side of the floorboards. And I have that out of there, and that is accessed through this area here, kind of between two layers of the firewall. That's really hard to get at, way back in there, and it took me a couple of hours to figure out how to get it out. And I have it disconnected from the wires, and some of these wires, the insulation is kind of cracked and stuff, so before I put it back together, I'm going to figure out a way to repair that insulation so that I don't have a fire risk. And over here on the bench, I have the headlight switch and the dimmer switch, and I tested both of them with an ohmmeter, and the headlight switch had intermittent continuity, and the headlight switch had pretty good continuity, but when it was in the headlight position, I had to have it like just wiggle it in and out just the right amount to make it actually work. And so what I do with these old switches is you can take them apart by bending these tabs up, and you get at the insides and you see if they have any burned contacts or anything that needs to be fixed. But this has got that tabs too, those tabs to take it apart, but the risk is that those tabs could break off from bending them up and then bending them back down. So what I do is I use this CRC QD electronic cleaner spray can with a straw on it, and what I've already did on these is I find an entrance into the inside of the switch where the contacts are, so I sprayed that stuff right in there. I got it worked in, sprayed a bunch, got it inside there, turned the switch on and off about 20 dozen times as I keep spraying that in, and then I blow it all out with compressed air, and then I spray some of this Gibbs lubricant in there, and that's a corrosion inhibitor, water repellent, metal protector, and that's really good stuff. So I did that on the headlight switch, and I did it on the dimmer switch. That one I was able to access the inside through the screw holes. Two of them go clear through to the inside where the contacts are, and one of them doesn't. So I got that treatment done, and now they both test out really good with an ohmmeter. So I'm going to repair those wires, and then I'm going to put it back together and see if it works. Okay, I decided I don't feel like editing video, so I'm just going to upload this one, and then once I get the switches put back in, I'll do another video.